Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Any new subscribers out there? My name is Ryan Caprice. I'm a I'm trying to be a future professional tattoo artist. So far I'm going through mediocre stuff, but today we're going to go through some of my sketchbook and we're going to talk about, I got a few questions on the last poll on Instagram about what happened with my accident and how I couldn't draw anymore. So I'm just gonna go through these, sit back, relax. Alright, so pretty much this was about last year, and we went on a Hawaiian trip on the Big Island to go surfing, and pretty much I crashed into a really big rock on a falling wave, and I lost pretty much like the whole sense in my right arm, my drawing arm, and all I remember was I got knocked out by a big rock and they lifted me up in a helicopter. So pretty much I spent about 2 weeks in the hospital. I had like 18 stitches in my elbow, like 4 stitches on my right arm, and then I had a big reef that went through my whole wrist. You can see the scars all around. But yeah, pretty much they told me that I couldn't really use my right arm anymore. I had lost all senses. My pinky was twitching nonstop. I couldn't even hold a pencil. I couldn't just draw a straight line. And I lost hope in drawing. I kept trying to doodle around. It just didn't work out. I kept trying, practicing. Luckily, my brother's a professional tattoo artist. He travels back and forth from here to Italy and Oregon. And he told me not to quit, and he started teaching me to get back on. And slowly, I first started tracing again, just to get the habit of having a pen in my arm. And once I got that down, I started doodling again. The depression was really bad. I mean, if anyone follows me on Instagram, you know I love to longboard, surf, all that fun stuff. But I fell in a big hole of depression. I was like, art was my favorite thing to do. I mean, I spent like 3 years doing tattoo apprenticeship. And I just started sketching again. I slowly got better again. It took a lot of time, took like 3 months, but it was definitely worth it. And it was definitely an experience as well. I mean, you never know what can happen, right? I was only planning on going on a trip to Hawaii just to have some fun, catch some waves, and next thing you know, I get dragged under a big rock. I hit my head. I wake up in the hospital. I have stitches in my head, stitches on my right arm, my left arm, and I thought that was it. You know, I was in a wheelchair. I couldn't really do anything. So instead of just sitting there depressed, I picked the pen back up, and it was a really life lesson for me. Just to not take anything for granted and don't go so crazy and not caring about stuff like that, you know. Because I was warned by my friends too that the wave I was about to take was super dangerous because the island, it splits up. So there's waves coming towards you, and then there's there's like reefs and rocks. And as I was taking the wave, I tried to pass around the rocks, and if you know anything about surfing or the beach, wherever there's a split water end with rocks, the other position of the waves will be dragging away from me, so it'll pretty much suck you in. And that's what pretty much happened. I slowly started tracing. I went on Google, looked at like drawing outlines. I had a bunch of my brothers drawing outlines as well, and I just started tracing them just to get the lines back down. And after like 3 months, after finished my tattoo apprentice with my brother. He's currently in Italy right now on a tattoo expo. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I've never done a talkover or a sketchbook tour, but I have like a bunch of these. I have another big box, but I'll probably make this just a part 1. And we'll make a continuous video on the next one. But I got some really cool sketches coming that I'm working on. I don't know if you saw the last video, but I got some more epic ones coming. And yeah, I get a few questions on how I come up with the drawings. I really don't know. I don't know. I just doodle. I draw. I guess wherever I go, like, let me find this one. Okay, this one right here was from a movie I saw about. I don't even remember the movie. It was like a year ago. I remember this school with a bandana, and it was just stuck in my head, so I redrew it and added some extra schools to it. Yeah, this one, like, I don't know if you've seen the Bob Marley logo, but there's like it's Bob Marley in a line. So I kind of just switch it around. This was like, I'd say like right after I started getting better. This was about a year ago. But yeah, I used the Elite 0.8mm. For anyone that is wondering what pens I use, I call them Elite. This right here was inspired by Slew. He's a great art channel as well. But yeah, I mean, let me know if you want me to do more of these. I'll definitely. I have a lot more editing and different things in the plan for the future. Just if there's one thing I can give you with drawing, just have fun. I used to do this when I was younger. I'd compare my work to other artists, and I'd be like, oh, when am I gonna get like that? Or I'd try to copy their work, and it just wasn't my style. I kept trying over and over, and it just you fall back doing that. You need to literally find your own style. It's fine to look at different artists and try to do their work, but never compare it. Every artist has their own unique style. And trust me, after practice and practice, you will get better at it. It takes time. And anything that you want to succeed in life, or a big step, is not going to happen overnight. You just need to doodle around, have fun with it. I mean, I'm from Oregon, so if anyone's familiar with Oregon, we're literally filled with artists here. We have like streets and streets where it's just blocked off and it's just art. This one's dope. I don't remember what I was trying to do. I tried to do like an anime figure. I drew this on Valentine's, I think. But yeah, you guys are always, I'd love to get drawing ideas if you guys have anything certain you want me to draw. And I don't want to make this video too long, but I'll break it down in like part 1, part 2, part 3. If you want to see more than that, just let me know. Yeah, like I was saying, I just got an iPad, and I want to try digital work. I know a lot of, especially tattoo artists do it. I never got into it until recently. Well, to be honest, my brother just started it, and it just looks super dope. I want to try it. So I got an iPad, so I think eventually I'm gonna start making. Oh, this one's awesome. hospital incident. I like that one too. This is XX Tentacion. Little memory of him. Skull. Skeleton. I don't know what you call that, a zombie. Maybe a zombie. But yeah, I was thinking, because I do live on the Oregon coast, I might do like an epic time lapse of me doing like a drawing on the beach, because I do that a lot. I'll take a stroll in the morning. Sometimes I'll bring a sketch pad and I'll just doodle around, clear my head. I'm really big into meditation, so I mean, art is a very big meditation, so do that one. This one's by Rivero. We did a collab. He's an artist down here in Oregon as well. We just put two pieces together. Like that, that's a little line. I mean, I think for my future videos, I really don't have anything planned. I'm gonna keep continuing to draw a few sketches and just put them all into one video. I'm not too big on editing and making crazy looking time lapses, but I don't know if you can look at that. It's like an eye with the reflection of the buildings and trees. Most of these also are like, I made duplicates, so I drew, sold a bunch on Etsy online, and then I drew it again. Let's just go a couple more. I have two more left to do, and I'll have another video ready after I upload this one. I think you guys are gonna enjoy that one. Like that one. It's like a faceless mask. A little doodle. Alright, well, that's part one. I'm gonna definitely do another one. Just let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more. But much love to everyone that's supporting and staying on the journey back on art. Definitely means a lot. And if you have any questions or anything, just let me know. Comment down below. Alright, much love everyone. Let's just get this one too. I like this one right here. But that's it. I hope you guys all have a great day, night, wherever you are. And we'll continue this on the next video. Alright, much love.